Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into the contract miner. We're going to be doing a bit of a two-part experiment to do with how much you earn and how much you withdraw. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in my contract mining account, and it has been 1 month since the last time we were in here. And at the beginning, in the last video, basically we were just at the beginning of level 47, which you can see at the top there. We are now 2/3 of the way through that level, and it won't be long before we're into level 48. We're still at level 6 on the offer wall, but if we scroll down, we have gained a really good percentage on this daily login bonus. The level XP bonus has remained the same, 11.75, but we're nearly at 5% login bonus, which obviously is giving us extra rewards and stuff like that. Also as well, a few other things have been added. If you drop into RP Games, this is now where you're going to find your RP claim, the free claim. What is it, every half an hour or something like that? So basically you just click on that, just like you did before. And basically this, you'll recognize this. Some people didn't know where this had gone to, so that's why I'm pointing it out. And you basically just click that, and then that's going to give you X amount of reward points. But there are some other games in here as well. We have the coin flip, which is an old game that's been on the site for a while, but now we have Lucky Looter. This was only available for people that were using the veteran subscriptions. Now it is available for everyone. If you drop in here, again, this is something like every half an hour, every 15 minutes. Oh, every 180 minutes, sorry. So basically all you do is you pick a chest. So we'll go for number 2. You do the capture. Stairs, here we go. Where's the other stairs? There. Go. And then hopefully we're going to win something. Here we go. So we got 1,402 reward points for that, and then basically you're going to have to wait 10,789 seconds or 180 minutes until you can play again. But this is a nice new addition to the site. Yes, it is. You know, it's a bit like the 3 shells game. You got to find the P, or the Queen of Hearts game where you got to find the Queen of Hearts card. You know, it is random, it is the whole thing, but it's not costing you anything. So, you know, again, I know it's a small addition, it's only a small detail, but it's again the developer giving back something to the members to improve the member experience. You know, this is all about winning. You know, yes, if you can not win, because you're not losing. You cannot win, but you can win. So like I say, it doesn't cost you anything. Play that every 180 minutes and you might pick yourself up some reward points or various other things. You can see here what other people have found. Timed mega hashes, actual CMC coins, reward points as you've just seen me claim, various other things, you know, that are going to be available. I think, to be honest with you, every time I've won, it's always been reward points. But the thing is, though, I only normally play a few times a day. I'm not playing it like every 180 minutes. But for those of you that spend a lot of time on the site, like I say, I mean, it's free. It's a great addition, and you know, you can win some cool loot. Okay, so go back to the home page. So what am I talking about when in the intro, basically doing this 2-part experiment about what we can earn and what we can withdraw? Simply, since I've reviewed this program, I've had no end of people say to me, how much can I earn daily? or how, you know, can I earn $1 a day, or can I earn this a day, you know, or, you know, if I invest this amount, how will it take me to get my investment back, and things like that. So in the last video, I talked about what I was going to do was I was going to build my CMC up to about the same price of what a S3 would be, an S3 miner on the market would be, which is 12,000 CMC. Now, the reason I use that figure is because every time I get to 12,000 CMC, generally I will buy an S3 miner. So I just thought, well, you know, I'll just get to that same figure. But instead of buying an S3 miner, what we're going to do is we're going to, because obviously at the moment I am mining CMC 100%. What we're going to do is we're going to switch over to a coin, run that 12,000 down, and then see what we have at the end of it. So first, what we've got to do is we want to upgrade our power to the maximum. So if we go into city, go to shop, power units, and then I don't know if I might have some in my inventory already, because normally I always end up getting a bit extra. Oh no, I must have done it perfectly last time. Okay, so power units, right, scroll down. Now, recently I did have someone, I did explain how I do this and they totally understood it. A lot of people say that they don't like this program because every time you buy power units, they become more and more expensive. That is if you are literally stocking your power units. Now, what I will do is I will come in here and as you can see, we've already got some power. So if that's the case, if that's not the case, I will always go to this one here. Yeah, I'll always go to the first, the biggest one, because if you've got power already, you can see that that is a little bit more. Normally that would be 3.82 CMC per power unit. When I have nothing, when I have no energy, that's what it costs. But as you gain energy, the cost of your power units, it does go up. And the reason why that is, and the reason why the developer has done that, is basically so people literally are not buying thousands upon thousands of power units and then sort of not coming back to the site there. Because as we know with other programs, especially programs that use adverts and stuff like that to get money into the site to help the developer improve the site, you need people coming into the site to view those adverts. So just like Rollercoin does the battery and the energy, the thing you've got to click to make sure your energy is running and that your miners don't run out of energy, and you have to do that every 24 hours or whatever. That is basically to get people back onto the site so then the adverts are shown and therefore the revenue goes back into the site. And that is basically what this is about, with this cost of your power units going up. But like I say, the way I do it, what I'll do is I'll come in here and the first thing I'll do is I'll look for the first power unit that is under 5 CMC. So obviously that would normally be this one, which would be 3.82 if we were at 0 energy. But because we have some energy, this is the first one. So we'll click that, get 5 packs, and then we'll do that, go into the inventory, add our power packs to what we have. And then, and obviously, as you can see here, that's building up. We go back into the shop. We go here, and then the next one is going to be this one here. Again, you're looking for it to be under 5 CMC. So this will be the next one that you do. Claim those. Okay, so we're nearly at the max. So this will again. So now this one is the next one. Now what you can do is, obviously I know that my maximum power is 210 power units I can have in there, or 210 energy, whatever you want to class that as. So what you can do is you can look here and you know how much that's going to give you, 10. You've got 99. So I could just buy one pack at 422 and then that'll be fine. You could do that. But what I just tend to do is I basically just will buy 5 packs and then purchase that and then go in the inventory. And then I'll just upgrade that, because the next one, now that shows 219, the next one, it won't allow it. See, there you go, because I've got too much in there. So like I say, I could have bought 2 or 1 and it would have basically got me there. I mean, some people will say, yeah, but because you bought 5, you're essentially paying over the odds. You know, that is true, because if I'd bought them at the lowest point, they would be at something like 1 something or something like that. So I do, but that's just how I do it. So that's not necessarily the most optimal way of doing it. And then, but then when I go back into my here, it will show it topped up. And then all it will do is when I come back in the next time, I'll go into my inventory first. I will then select those 3 miners, 3 power units, and then basically whatever then is required to top up, I will then top it up. That's just how I do it. Like I say, but basically I only top it up once in the morning, and then that will run down, and then what I'll do again, I'll top it up in the evening. And then that will just carry me. That will carry me right through the evening. It'll carry me well into the next day. And like you said, I mean, but the thing is, what I'm trying not to do is allow it to run down to 0 or have hours and hours of my miners not running, because obviously that's not what you want. You want it to be running all the time, constantly, to be earning as much as possible. But like I say, that's basically the way I do it. Is I do it twice a day. I don't buy a lot. I think what a lot of people are doing is you're trying to buy 24 hours worth of power units in one go. But as you see, because they go up, then essentially it does start costing a lot. But if you only do it like I've shown you, is enough to top up your energy bar. But like I say, always look for the one that is below 5. So if you've got 0, like I explained, if you've got 0 energy, I would pick this one. But because we had a bit, we picked this one. Then we went up to this one. Then we went to that one. And they were all below 5 CMC. And then you end up with a full energy bar and it's done. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about Contract Miner, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier video. Now that's going to act like a tutorial, so it's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your account up and running and earning yourself some of these free coins. But if you go to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. So, what is the next stage of the withdrawal earning experiment? So what we've got to do is we've got to drop into here. And what we need to do is actually stop our mining. So because we're mining CMC 100%, we need to disconnect. Then what you do is we need to select Litecoin, because that's the coin we're going to be earning. Now, if we look at the drop down, I've already earned some, which is 276,439 Litecoin Satoshis. So I have written that down. So obviously we will subtract that from wherever we've earned once our 12,251.8 CMC have run down, which is, if you're wondering where I'm getting that from, that is obviously in this bar up here. That is basically what we can spend once we've ran out of that. Then we're going to look at how much we earned for that amount of CMC. And then obviously we got to make a withdrawal. Now, the other thing as well is, before we get into this, where's withdrawals? I'm not sure. Have I gone past it? It's not there. Wallet. Okay. So I just want to see what the minimum withdrawal is. So the minimum withdrawal is 100,000. Is that right? Withdraw. So the maximum is 5 million. With veteran, you could withdraw up to 25 million. I'm guessing that is. Obviously, Satoshis again. So we're looking for. So we could withdraw that now. And then, but what we're going to do is we're going to leave it to make it one big withdrawal. But I just wanted to see what the minimum was. So it's 100,000. Okay, so like I say, we'll go back to this, right? And then we're going to pick Litecoin. Oh, no, Litecoin. And then we're going to click connect. Okay. So as you can see there, the pool has switched from CMC to LTC Connect. And we're going to start mining here. Your miners have connected to the LTC mining pool. And then that's it. That's us mining. We have got 12,252 CMC to buy power units with. And then once that's all gone, we're going to see how much we've earned. Okay, so that is pretty much all I wanted to show you guys. I hope you found that helpful, fun, and informative. If you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can please smash that like button, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.